Let's check out the SilverCrest vacuum sealer. In this video, I will also show you how to properly set it up and also how to use it. Inside the box, along with the manual, we are also getting a bunch of accessories. Also a 3-meter roll of vacuum sealing bag. When it comes to build quality, this looks actually surprisingly good. Looks very solid. So we have 130 watt power consumption. Shipping protector. So this is our heater that is essentially doing all the sealing. Also we have drip tray as well, so if you're vacuuming something that is wet, any moisture can actually drip inside here instead of the machine. Also inside the box we have extra replacement foam, so you can replace these. These are needed to properly seal it as well. We have the release buttons here. On top of the machine we have 5 different functions. First one is for simply sealing the end of a bag. So if you want to seal it but you do not want to vacuum. Second one is if you also want to vacuum it out and also seal it at the end. This one is for simply sealing very wet and moist objects, and this one is a gentle mode. Essentially, for example, if you are trying to seal objects that you do not want to squish, for example, like berries or pretty much anything that you do not want to destroy the shape of it. So you would also use it with this one as well. And then the last mode, we can use it also with external vacuum containers as well. So we also are getting 2 hoses, maybe like 50 centimeter hose. As you see, I can plug it in here. And then also we have multiple adapters that will fit the most common type of vacuum storage containers. So you can simply attach here, plug this to your vacuum container, and using the button you can also suck out. Also this is a cancel button as well at the same time. So if you want to stop vacuuming, sealing, you can also quickly press this, it will stop all the action. And first let's seal one end of the bag. Lift it up. I see you have this black rubber strip over here. So this is where we want to rest our bag on. Also this metal sealer again is going to make the exact contact here on this rubber strip. So you want to simply place your bag just a bit over of it, just like maybe like 1 centimeter above this. So simply close it, and then we need to lock it in place. So simply squeeze it like this, and you see it's in place and very solid. Then also make sure it's plugged into electricity, and to only seal it we have to use this first option here. Okay, you'll see it starts red. That means it's heating up. And sealing, simply wait. Once it starts flashing, it's almost ready. And once it stops flashing, that means it's done. And then we simply squeeze both of these together. So simply push them inside. And you see it pops out. And we have our bag sealed. I see, very nice finish overall. So you see it's completely sealed. And it's totally tight. When it comes to negatives, this sealer does not have a cutter function, so you will simply have to use scissors to cut off. So simply decide however much you need to cut off. You see, I'll simply cut off. Then let's place in our bag whatever you want to seal. Arrange it so it's nice. Lift it up, place the end of the bag again over the black strip, close it and lock it into the place. And now we want to use the second function. It's first going to vacuum out all the air from the bag, and after that it's going to seal it afterwards. So it has finished vacuuming. Wait. And it's now sealing. So you see it's flashing, so that means sealing. Once it finishes flashing, it's done. Again, press this, release. And you see how nice and tight everything is here. So yeah, overall extremely nice finish actually. And yeah, it has sucked out pretty much everything from this. So again, let's seal our bag first. Make sure it clicks. And the first option, it's simply going to seal the bag. Okay, wait. And once it stops flashing, we can release. As you see, our bag is done. Again, let's take scissors, cut off however much we need. And simply place inside whatever you need there. Lift it up, just over the black line, close it, secure it, and the second function. Okay, so it has stopped, and then wait till it finishes sealing it. Okay, once it goes off, it's ready. So yeah, incredibly tight. It actually, yeah, was surprisingly good. Yeah, the performance, yeah, looks actually very, very impressive on this one. And also let's try the gentle function with maybe some cherries that we do not want to smush up. Let's make another bag. Okay, wait. Our bag is ready. And let's engage our gentle function. Also, maybe we can also turn on the wet function, since it's obviously a bit wet as well. And then let's start it. So again, press this one. Let's see what happens. So you see it's definitely slower and more gentle. I see it also kind of releases a bit. Okay. And let's see what it looks like. So definitely, as you see, it hasn't actually sucked out all air, but as you see, our cherries are totally intact and it hasn't actually squished them up, but still probably like 90% of the air is out. So let's cut it off and inspect how they actually look like. So you see, all good. So absolutely perfect. Also, if you're wondering if you can reuse the bags, then it kind of depends what you have stored in the bag. If you are storing just some dry goods, then of course you can reuse it if it's still good. If you're storing maybe some meat, then probably not. So obviously not. Even if you wash it, we want a new bag in that case. And then, as you see, we also were able to reuse the old bag and was just good as new one. Also, what's cool, we can even seal other bags as well with this machine. So for example, if you have some loose bags that you simply want to close, as you see, I can also simply pop it here, locked in place, and Let's wait for it to seal it. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. So you see, our bag is also completely sealed here. So yeah, very impressive overall actually. For example, maybe if you have some spice bags that you rarely use, that you do not want to go bad, again, you can simply seal it. So you see, yeah, absolutely cool. And yeah, overall this new SilverCrest vacuum sealer definitely is very impressive indeed. And I only paid 19 euros for mine from LIDL. So for its price, when you look at the build quality, performance, I think it's absolutely superb. Also, another huge advantage of this one is your items in freezer can also be kept much longer as well if you store them in these bags. Also, you won't get any freezer burn on your meat as well if you store it in these bags. Also, another huge advantage than simply using like regular plastic bags and not vacuuming them out as well. Okay, good luck.